Hi, Chris here with Handle It. Today I want to show you guys the difference in orientation on the base plates for our guardrail posts. So here we have 3 single high posts, 18 inches high, and a double high. The orientation I'm going to discuss applies to double high as well as the single high. First, I want to point out all our posts are pre-drilled on all 4 sides so that you can connect the rails on any side. This is a standard centered post. Most posts are going to be this orientation, but this offset post is probably the next most popular. It's offset to the side so there's no base plate sticking out in the aisle. And here's a corner offset post. If you walk over here, you can actually see how this applies when you attach the railing to it. So you have offset here. Notice this rail and this rail, they're the exact same length, but your overall outside of base plate to outside of base plate measurement is going to be larger on the centered post because the base plates stick out. Whereas the offset ones, there's no base plate in the alleyway. If you go over here and you have a section where you're actually going to have multiple strings of guardrail and you want to do offset on the outside, you do offset here. In the center, you do a centered one. You could do an offset, but it would look kind of funny because you'd have the orientation over this way. So you do a standard center one, the other edge you would have another offset post.